Welcome to PTE TnT, is your go-to channel for free videos, tutorials, and practice materials. Like our Facebook page.
In a hospital, who is the person that can't write prescriptions?
What is the 25th letter that we use to write English words?
How many years are there in a passage of decade?
How many hemispheres does the equator divide the globe into?
What will ice do when it is heated?
Do ornithologists study people, birds, clocks, or poetry?
What are the people who study ancient bones? What are the people who study ancient bones or plants in rocks?
What are the paintings or photos of people, especially when it includes someone's face?
The instructions that tell you how to cook food.
When something is given in a pair. When something is given in a pair, how many of them are there?
Which one would a vegetarian most likely to eat, sandwiches or fruit salad?
What do you call a list in front of a book which outlines the structure of a book?
Which one would you use to describe the desert, humidity or aridity?
Where would you normally see crosswords?
What material is the tire made of?
What do we call a festival which is held every 4 years, gathering people together as a sporting event? How many years does a centennial celebrate? What is the big musical instrument that has 88 black and white keys? What does IT stand for? What do you call a very long essay that students have to write for a doctorate degree? Which one is not mythological animal? Unicorn, giraffe, dragon or mermaid? How many years are there in a millennium? When something has increased by triple, how many times does it increase? Where do you go to send mails, a post office or a coffee house?